Hello, I'm Charles-Louis, and I'm taking advantage of this last day of sun in Belgium to record a short video to talk to you about this upcoming Agile Tour Vilnius. I'm very excited to be invited there and to propose two workshops. The first one is called Dancing Like a Facilitator, and we'll explore together what a facilitator can do or how a facilitator could work to bring the workshop to a successful end. It's important as a facilitator that we put focus on the frame that is used for the workshop and that the participants bring the content. So we'll explore the differences and the options that we have. The second workshop is centered around stories and will be a follow-up of last year's Emperor's New Clothes that I did also at Agile Tour Vilnius in presence. This time we'll do it remotely. I've had the opportunity to explore the remote session based on stories and fairy tales and how they use actually to bring people closer together to build up our understanding from each other. So if you're interested in empathy, in building connections towards other people and into finding new ways to, new tricks that you can use to spice up your workshops, your retrospectives. I'm looking forward to seeing you in maybe both of these sessions. See you then. Bye-bye.